What is your opinion on sex before marriage?
I'm not doing this. We are really sorry.
Sorry,
We are really sorry.
What is your opinion on sex before marriage?
I don't think it will happen because I don't know.
Um, I just, yeah, I like that. Yeah,
What about you?
that's not bad. Actually, we got experience, right?
It's completely normal.
Yeah.
Like, you don't have to be married to have sex because sex is just like a basically.
Same. Yeah.
It's fine. That's my opinion.
Just fine.
Yeah.
Nothing like any explanation or.
That's what it doesn't need to be explained. It's somebody's personal thing and it's fine.
I mean, it's okay. It's your personal choice, and it's perfectly okay. If somebody wants to, they want to.
Totally agree with her.
I think that sex is a very normal thing that people usually do, but they don't tell about it. So I think it happens very often, but it's not acceptable to the society.
From whomever I know, people who've been married, and a couple of friends, I've been told that it is really important.
That shouldn't be happening. And if anything happens to the girl, it's the guy. And he also doesn't want to take responsibilities on that. So it shouldn't be happening.
I feel it's pretty okay because it's people's choice. Not like nobody's forcing you or doing something. And I've seen like a lot of marriages which happen are arranged marriages. What if you're not happy with the person, but still you have to sleep with him?
Do you think sex before marriage helps you to build your confidence on your first night?
Sex before I mean, isn't your first night when you have sex for the first time? Like, how does it matter? Shut up.
Do people actually have sex on their first night? Is my question.
Oh my god, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, seriously, I don't know.
Of course, it does a lot. Because like you'll be knowing like where exactly to. Some people, it's for you. No, listen, some people, if they can't in the night, they won't be like seeing where to put. Instead of putting, where to? Oh, bro, it happens, man.
Perhaps I guess for some people it might help them feel all good about themselves. They know how to do it, what to expect, what not to expect. So perhaps yes.
What about you?
I think okay, it requires a lot of confidence. So then maybe if it requires a lot of confidence, then maybe I don't know.
I haven't, but yes, it might be because it gets you to know what you're gonna do. So
That's a good one.
yeah.
Sex before marriage helps you in building your confidence for your first night.
Don't know.
Would you rather marry a virgin or someone with experience?
Of course not. Why? Because we are selfish, right?
So we prefer non-virgin girl because she'll be like having experience. So in case you can't give a proper sex life, she'll be like telling you and she'll be like showing like how to do a proper one. She'll get a demo.
Experience. No, I have really not thought about it. I think anything is okay.
I guess it's not about how experienced you are. It's about
How you perform?
yeah. Exactly. I mean, whether you know about the technicalities of it or not.
Technicalities, okay.
Yeah, that is what.
I won't like to give a very personal opinion about it.
For me, I wouldn't marry somebody if she's a virgin or not. I won't depend on that. I would rather prefer if I like her or love her, if I'm comfortable with her.
Nothing. Yeah. Blank.
I'll kill her. Kill her.
So guys, this is what Bengaluru thinks about sex before marriage. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Bengaluru Talkies. Thank you. Bye. I know what you guys are thinking. I know you culprits.